Hi, I'm Reina, a Technical Product Manager at Equinix. Today, I'll be walking you through the new billing history experience in the customer portal. Accessing billing history remains the same. As long as you have billing and payments permission for any account, you should be able to see billing history in the operations menu. If you need more information about billing permissions, please view the video, How to Access and Navigate Your Billing History in ECP. Once you click on billing history, you'll immediately find yourself in the new experience. If you would still like to access the legacy version, you can click on the toggle, and you can easily switch between versions anytime. In this new experience, you'll find an updated design, enhancements to existing functions, new search and filter features, and access to supporting billing documents. On this landing page, you'll find all the accounts where you have billing and payments permission. In this data grid, you'll see your account number, account name, and its associated data centers. You can sort your accounts by ascending or descending account name or number, and you can also search for your accounts by name. When you find the account you're searching for, click on its name and you'll be brought to your account summary. Here, you can see a high-level view of your account information, as well as your account's transaction history from the past 12 months. In this data grid, you can identify if your transaction is an invoice or credit memo, its transaction number, date, as well as its original value amount and applicable currency. You can search for any invoice or credit memo by its transaction number, and you can also filter your transactions by its date or type. You can continue to download your invoices and credit memos either individually or in bulk. For bulk download, click on any checkbox, and the bulk download menu will appear. You can select up to 10 checkboxes or transactions to download at a time. We've enhanced the bulk download options to include both Equinix and your local government documents. For Equinix documents, you can download your transactions based on its detail level, format, as well as language. For government documents, you can bulk download your Boleto or official invoice PDFs. Similarly, for downloading documents at the individual transaction level, you can click on the download icon and you can easily identify which available document you need to download by its detail level and format, as well as its language. From your account summary, you can also access the billing library. Here, you can preview and download not just your invoices and credit memos, but also your supporting documents that can help you reconcile the charges on your invoice, such as your quotes from the past year. If you would like to preview any document before downloading, click on the appropriate document card and then click on your document number. For example, if you want to preview your latest countersigned order document, click on the countersigned orders card and click on the first order number you want to view, and you can see the PDF. You can download your document individually or in bulk. If you're looking for a document that's older than a year, you can reach out to your respective billing contact. Stay tuned as we add more document types to this library. In this new experience, for all billing accounts besides Brazil, if you would like to dive into the details of your invoice or credit memo, click on the transaction number, and you'll see the total amount for the invoice or credit memo, as well as the summary charges. You may also download your document here. Under this, you'll see a data grid of all the line details of your invoice or credit memo. In this data grid, for each charge, you'll see the line number, product category and description, document numbers, such as the order number, billing agreement number, and purchase order number, the data center location code and metro, the unit price and quantity, and total charges that includes discounts and tax. These line details are the same items you can find on your invoice PDF. You can filter your charges by product category, periodic charge type, as well as associated data centers with your account. You can also search for charges by its associated order number, billing agreement number, or purchase order number. If you have additional sub-account information associated with your charges, you will also see that column here, and that is also an additional option for you to search your charges by. If you're seeing a new charge for the first time and you're unsure when this order came about, you can click on the sales order number, and you'll be able to view the completion notice for this order. You can only view completion notices from orders completed in the past 12 months. If you would like to see more features in the billing history, please leave your comments in the global feedback form. We'd love to hear from you and improve your portal billing history experience. Thank you.